Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today we have a quick meal with Sweese. The Sweese brand sent us this set of white porcelain bowls as a gift. The warranty card comes inside and a gift mug that you have to ask for it on their Facebook page. All information about them will be below in my description box of this video, and also the link of the Amazon store. The packaging is very safe and arrives in perfect conditions. This is the porcelain bowl set, come in 4 different sizes. This is the smallest, they are lightweight, and also I like it because it can be used in the microwave, in the dishwasher, and also in the oven. For me, it's fantastic. The shape is oval and uneven. These are the 4 sizes. And what do you think if we use them for the first time together today? I'm going to prepare a quick dinner using all these bowls. Let's get started. In the medium bowl, I will place white rice, also black beans that are cooked with bay leaf, garlic, onion, and salt. Don't forget to add the liquid from the beans to give the rice a little bit of color. And finally, add olive oil and fresh parsley on top. And this is how our rice looks in this bowl. In the largest bowl, I will place the rotisserie chicken that I have from last night to heat in the microwave. In this bowl, I will place spring lettuce, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and a touch of olive oil. And this is our salad. In the smallest bowl, I will add eggplant in vinaigrette. The recipe is below in my description box of this video. Now we are going to set everything on the table and we are ready for dinner. Here is our new white bowl set with 4 different sizes. Look how beautiful the food looks on them. Please guys, if you are new today on my channel, subscribe, thumbs up, and you are seeing Candy on the screen. She's with me on Wednesdays with my recipes, and she has some videos every Saturday. Bye bye!